Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which is Wednesday the 9th of March. So we said we had a large dividend today on FTSE, however price was still overall bearish. So we said if we saw a sustained break above 70.98 to 71.13, then we could see moves towards resistance at 71.90 to 72.05. However, if we see 70.98 to 71.13 hold resistance, we could see moves back towards 69.67 to 69.82. So let's go and have a look at the market today. Okay, so you can see we opened up and we did have an attempted break above that 70.98 to 71.13 zone. However, we didn't see a sustained break even over here. There wasn't. It didn't get sustained break above there, and we actually had a couple of reactions and a strong sell-off here. However, we didn't even make it back down to that 69.67, 69.82. It was actually quite a quiet range on the FTSE compared to what it has been recently. We then did actually see a bit more of a sustained break here. We haven't reached our upside target yet at 71.90. However, we're well on the way. And if you are long from anything around here, there was actually a really nice continuation pattern here. Although we hadn't really seen proper acceptance above that zone by that point. So it may have been a little bit risky, but it is nonetheless a really nice pattern, having held the zone here as well. So that's probably the best trade of the day, this one here. As I say, we tried to break above that zone early on in the session. We didn't get anything sustained above there. And then we have broken out this afternoon. So we'll see overnight. I think this zone here will be key for the morning again as well. So we'll see where we are in comparison to that zone. Now let's go and have a look at the DAX. So on the DAX, we said that if we could gain acceptance above 13.280 to 13.315, then we may see a move to resistance at 13.610 to 635 and potentially 13.785 to 13.810. So let's go and have a look at the DAX this morning. Okay, so with the DAX, we did open up and we moved above that 13.280 to 315 zone. We did actually put in a bit of a false break signal, which we did warn for on the DAX. And if you'd taken this as a false break signal, this would have been a losing trade. However, when you did finally see that acceptance above the zone, so we got this acceptance above here, and then we held the zone on the retest. This hold here is the indication. This in itself is actually a bit of a continuation pattern. Retest of the zone, that there was the indication that zone was accepting above there, and we could then see moves higher. So as you can see, we then pushed higher. We had a really nice, we had another nice reversal in here, and then this just moved higher and higher. We got a really strong impulsive push through that zone, and we hit our first upside targets at 13.610 to 635. And then we have again got another sustained break, an impulsive push through that resistance zone there, and we now just missed our targets, our full upside target at 785 to 810, but you can see that's basically hit. So a really nice move on the DAX today. It's up nearly 7% or just over 7%, so a huge move really on the DAX, and it was all indicated from at the start from this this move here just after 9 o'clock where it held. So that was the DAX. The DAX works really nicely today. A little bit mixed on the FTSE. It took a little bit of time. That zone held as resistance and then has broken out above it later on in the session. So not as much momentum on the FTSE as there was on the DAX today. So I hope you found this useful, guys, and I will chat to you again tomorrow. Cheers.